Hello! This is why I haven't been posting videos lately.
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipina living in Australia. This is day 1 of moving from Brisbane to Sydney vlog series. Firstly, I have to pack all my things in Brisbane so the removalist can come and collect all my things tomorrow and ship it off to Sydney. And then I had to double check with my property manager about moving out and clean the whole place after the removalist comes and collect my things. For those of you who's not in Australia, Brisbane is about 12 hours drive from Sydney, or only 1.5 hours flight. There are 3 ways that a removalist ship your items from Brisbane to Sydney, or as we say, interstate. First is by air, but there's certain limitations on the weight and it can cost really expensive. The second is by rail, which will take up to 3 weeks minimum to move your items. And lastly, the option I chose was through a truck. They collect your items and then drive directly interstate, and the following day my items will arrive. Watch out for day 2.